In probability, mostly the question are asked on cards or rolling a die. Now when you roll a die, what can happen? In a fair die is nothing but a cube. The cube has 6 faces and one face will come up. Whenever you roll a dice, 1 can come, 2 can come, that is 2 dots, 3 dots, 3 can come up, the face can come up, 4 can come up, 5 can come up with 5 dots, or the final 6 dots can come. 6 faces, 6 numbers can come. So the sample space, the possibility is 1 can come, 2 can come, 3 can come, 4 can come, 5 can come, or 6 can come. Because there are only 6 faces, 1 to 6, only this can come. This is called the sample space. 7 can never come because there is no 7 here. It's an impossible event. Now this is about the one die, but mostly questions are asked about rolling 2 dice together. So the sample space will be what? So I'll give you a hint about this sample space. So these are independent events. That is, one is not dependent on another. The one die can give you from 1 to 6. The second die can also give you from 1 to 6. So in all, the sample space of first die will be 6. Second will also be 6. See, for one die the sample space will be 6. But when you are rolling and throwing 2 dice, 6 into 6 is total number of events. That is the total number of outcomes. 1 and 1. In first 1, then in second 2. In first 1, second 3. In first 1, second 4. In first 1, second 5. In first die 1, second die 6. Now this combination can go on. In first die 2, second 1, like this, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6. Then 3 1, 3 2, 3 5, 3 3, 3 6, like this. Last one will be 6 6 accordingly. So there will be 36 possibility. So when 1 1 will come, they will add and we will call it as 2. First will 4 and second will give you 3, it will be 7. So what can be the question? I'll give you a hint. Now when you throw a die and you are being asked, what is the probability of 4 coming? So total number of outcomes can be 1 to 6, that is 6. And what is your favorable outcome? You want 4, so it will be only 1. So 1 divided by 6 will be the probability of getting a 4 in single die. But in a die which we roll, there are number of 2 dice, then so just asking a question, 5 can come. Okay, so if 5 has to come, 2 and 3 will make 5, 4 and 1 can make 5, 3, 2, 1, 5, like this can come. So total number of favorable cases are 4 and total number of cases are 36. So when we divide this will be 1 by 9. This is the probability.